This video will show how to perform DPOAE measurements. For the initial setup, such as connecting the probe, refer to the instruction manual. Pre-measurement probe check. The probe has to be checked to ensure correct testing. Turn on the power. When attaching the earpiece to the probe tip, make sure that the stainless steel tubes are not bent or broken. Attach the 4mm earpiece firmly and correctly so that there are no gaps. Make sure the stainless steel tubes do not protrude from the earpiece. Insert the probe into the probe checking cavity. Insert the probe firmly until it stops and check that it is inserted correctly. Then press the menu button. Press up or down on the page button to display page 2 of 5, probe check. Press the start button to start the probe check. Make sure the probe is not affected by noise or vibration during the measurement. All checks will be completed in about 1 minute and the results will be displayed. If the result is passed, the probe function is normal. After the probe check, press the menu button to display page 2 of 5 again. Press the menu button again to display EEPROM writing and the test screen appears. If the probe check is failed, start over from attaching the probe. Test procedure. Select an earpiece that fits the subject's ear. Wipe the earpiece thoroughly with absorbent cotton soaked in disinfecting alcohol. Attach the earpiece to the probe tip. Attach it securely so there are no gaps. Also make sure that the stainless steel tube does not protrude from the earpiece. Insert the probe inside the subject's test ear. Check the test protocol number. To change the protocol number, press the Shift button followed by the left or right button. Specify the ear to be tested by pressing the RL button. Press the Start button to begin testing. When Fit Check appears on the screen, the probe fit is being checked. If Fit Check Open appears, sound from the probe is leaking. Check that the probe is properly inserted to prevent sound leaks, then repeat the test. If Fit Check Block appears, the tip of the probe is blocked by the wall of the ear canal or by foreign matter. If this appears continuously, turn off the power, remove the probe tip and clean it with the cleaning wire provided before repeating the test. If Fit Check Error appears, the equivalent capacity has failed to stabilize. If this happens, check to confirm that the probe is properly inserted and repeat the test. If there is no problem with the fit check, testing is displayed on the screen and the test starts. Wait test is displayed once testing is completed. The test results will appear on the screen. If the result is indicated as noise, check the equivalent capacity. If the equivalent capacity is significantly greater than the actual capacity of the ear canal, the probe may be fitted improperly, resulting in sound leaks. change the ear to be tested as necessary. Saving and outputting the test data. Test data can be either printed or sent to a PC by pressing the Data Out button. If you use the dedicated ER-60 110 printer, you can print out instantly by infrared communication with the ER-60. Single mode and multi-mode. There are two ways of saving data, single mode and multi-mode. The setting for single or multi-mode can be selected on page 1 of 5 of the parameter setting screen. In single mode, data is saved for one subject, both the left and right ears. When performing the next test, delete the data first. Multi-mode can store up to 99 data items per page, 495 in total, with the single ear measurement counting as one item. When in multi-mode, M is displayed on the upper left, and the file number and the page number are displayed on the upper right of the screen. Please see the instruction manual for how to delete data in multi-mode.